Hi everyone, my name is Nathan Reed, and this is my CSI 253 ADO.NET Phase 2 demo. I've added a couple new things to this demo. I'll just boot it up here. One is a change password. Change the password. If we hop over to SQL Management Studio, or SQL Server Management Studio, I should say, and we select all from TBL passwords, execute that. You can see, and I've already done this a couple more times. Let's test. There's less users than there were on my last demo because I test deleted a few, but we'll get to that. This example right here for changing passwords actually uses connected architecture instead of a data set. We're instantiating the middle tier of my application, getting a data reader to populate the combo box, and changing the password. Another instance of the middle tier, calling the stored procedure change password, and so forth. Now this project now does actually utilize a data set, but it utilizes it to modify users. If we run it again, go to modify users. And previously, I have fixed this problem now, but when I added a user, I shouldn't say couldn't, but I had some things set wrong and notes weren't being set correctly. So now I can go in and edit. These are notes. Submit changes. Exit. Now back here in my SQL Server Management Studio, if I select all from TBL users, you can see that was changed using the dataset. I am using a table adapter to do that. I used the dataset designer to do this, so it was kind enough to make a nice little table adapter for me. And it's actually fairly elegant doing that. So when the user hits submit, it takes the data grid view rows in the data grid view, and casts them to data rows, and then uses the table adapter's update to update the table. And then of course that gets pushed to the database as well. Also use the grid view to delete users. So if we take this last guy here, now I clicked right here for the full row select, but you can actually click anywhere because the code behind this form is grabbing the current row and not the current column or the current field, and hit delete user. Ask me continue with deletion of dsmith, and I can say no, and it does nothing. Or I can hit delete user again and say yes, user will be deleted. It closes. Now if I go back to modify user, you can see that user is gone. If I come back to SQL Server Management Studio and run my query again, you can see Dave Smith is gone. Thank you so much for watching my demo for ADO.NET Phase 2 of my Drawpile User Manager. I hope you enjoyed it.